Hey guys, this is Prithvi Reddy. Today I am going to tell you how to add an extension to Hybris Commerce on-premise version. Because now the latest thing all people are using is Hybris Cloud, Hybris Commerce Cloud, which I mean all the new projects which are implementing that, but many majority of the projects are still going on with the Hybris Commerce on-premise version. So today in this on-premise version, I'm going to show you how to add your own custom extension to the back office apart from all the default extensions existing. So you can see generally the Hybris Commerce. It just helps you engage your customers on any device. The extensible modular architecture provides a solid foundation for developing relevant and personalized experiences that keep your customers coming back. And if you see, the SAP Commerce organizes data like product information to be propagated using multiple communication channels in a consistent and efficient way. So this enables business to sell products across multiple distribution channels. So majorly you can see the extension concept. So before going into extension concept, so the SAP Hybris Commerce architecture have some several layers like web layer for the web context, and logic layer, logic between the web layer and the persistence layer, and the persistence layer which acts as an back office. So web layer is just like for the front end, logic layer, the connection between the front end and the back end, and persistent layer which has a back end, and then you have the database thing. So here you can see about the extensions. An extension can contain business logic, type definitions, a web application or a back office administration cockpit configuration. Like it could be accelerator, it could be back office, it could be a cockpit, whatever it is. So the way you link up in one place of all the functionality that covers a certain field of use, for example, a storefront. So modular architecture, flexible, encapsulated piece of software. So some thousands of crores of business is just done through the Hybris Commerce. So Hybris Commerce is entirely Java built. That is, we'll be using Spring MVC, a framework of Java in implementing the technical architecture. I mean, all the scripting team will work on Java as well as Groovy script also. So majorly the preference is given to Java. So now, if you see, this is just an administration console. Uh, yeah. So here you can see this is the package commerce thing. In the commerce, this is the on-premise version package which contains all the fields. So cloud, you know how to log into the cloud. You'll be having the credentials and you'll be logging into the cloud. But the on-premise version, you need to install this package. You need to run the server. And then you are going to use them. So you can see here the server is running. Currently, the Hybris server it is running. So here you can see this is the package. In this package, you have this particular Hybris folder. So in Hybris folder, you have the bin folder. In this bin folder, you can see these are all the extensions available and all the custom extensions. Here you have the folder custom. So now we are going to add a custom extension. To do that, what now I have to do is I need to go to the platform and then I need to run the command prompt. In this command prompt, first of all, I need to set the Ant environment. Ant is a tool which acts as a deployment descriptor in Hybris Commerce. I need to set that environment. For that, I need to give the key set Ant env. That is set Ant environment. Click on enter. So now it has been set. And the next thing is we need to generate an extension. To generate an extension, I need to click Ant xgen and xgen. You need to click give the key and xgen and then run it, because if you see the thing, we are generating an extension. So extension generation xgen. So for module generation, you need to give module gen. So we are generating extension. So xgen and click on enter. So it is just building. So now we'll get all the templates, which thing we want. So we are whether we need an cockpit, or we need any accelerator, or we need back office, or add-on, or order management, whatever it is. For example, I need to give the I need to create my own cockpit. For example, there you can see you can see their input y accelerator fulfillment process by cockpit. So now I click on Y cockpit and click on enter. And after clicking on Y cockpit, I need to give a name. For example, let me give the name as example cockpit. After giving example cockpit, I click on enter. After clicking on enter, so here you can see you can choose your own package. You can give your own package name, but it has to fulfill Java package name convention, or you have the default value or not ready. So if you click on enter, it will take the default value. So click on enter. So it is taking the default value and it is running now. So this particular thing takes some 2 to 3 minutes of time. Yeah. Okay, now it has took some 1 minute 24 seconds to complete that. So you have you got, I mean, we just built successfully the extension. So now in this package, I'll go to Hybris folder and I'll go to bin folder and open the custom. So here I have that example cockpit which I have created the extension. So now I'll copy the name example cockpit and I'll come to Hybris. Here I have configure. I need to configure that example cockpit into the local properties. Here you have into the local extensions. Sorry. So here we have local the path about the configurations. Here I have the local extensions. It's an XML document. So I'll edit with this Notepad++. So here you have the extensions. So this is what the Hybris directory and the extensions. For this, come here and extension name equals to the name is example cockpit and I'll just save it. Now I have saved it. Now what I'm gonna do, now in the local extensions I have saved that example cockpit. So now this is the running server. To that extension that needs to be updated in the back office, in the platform, to get that updated. So to get that thing updated, what we need to do, we have this particular server already running. First of all, we need to shut down the server and again restart, then it is going to get updated. To shut down that, I need to click on Ctrl+C. So it will shut down now. Just it's going on the process. Yes. So it's asking yes or no. Yes. So now you can see it has been terminated. So we have to stop the server. To restart the server, again I have to set and here I need to give set and env. It has been set. Here for Java files, we want to clean all the things, but we have just updated an XML file. So we need to do and all. So just compile everything. So now it is compiling. This compilation takes 2 to 3 minutes of time. Just wait for. I mean, so now the compilation is going on after clicking. I mean, after giving the key and tall, and the compilation is going on. So meanwhile, here you can see in the meanwhile, in the custom thing as I already showed you, here I have the example cockpit, and in the configuration I also added to the extensions. So we need to add the extensions to the local extensions file. Then only it is going to work in the. I mean, we can see it in the administration console, and also we can run the URL. So as of now, here you can see the server. It is just compiling. It is just going. So just we'll wait for it to, yeah, now it is just successfully built. So 4 minutes 11 seconds. So after this particular compilation, now we need to run the server. To run the server, we give the key Hybris server and enter. So now it is launching JVM, Java Virtual Machine, as it is completely Java based. So now it is going to run. So we need to give some 4 to 5 minutes of time to load all the files, and then we can start our work. So we just give the time, we'll just give the 4 minutes. Just hold on. So now you can see it's been some 5 minutes since this particular Hybris server we started. It's currently running. So now we'll go to a new tab. Here I need to open the administration console, Hybris administration console. So I'm going to open it. So this is the Hybris administration console. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to log into this. So this is the Hybris administration console I have shown you at the first. So now this is the platform. Here I have the extensions. So these are the extensions. The extension name we gave is example cockpit. Here you can see the example cockpit. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open this URL. Let me open it in a new tab. So it's just loading. So this is the Y cockpit which I have shown. This is my cockpit. So example cockpit, here you can see at the URL at the top here. You can see this example cockpit which I have given the name. So I can give the user ID as well as the password. Login. So this is my cockpit. So you can see example cockpit which I have created. So this is, now I am going to show you the default cockpit which is already existing. So this is the my cockpit. You can see the URL example cockpit created by me. So this is normal product cockpit. That means it's a default one. It's getting loaded. So this is the normal default cockpit which is available, and this is my own product cockpit which I have created as an extension. So this is how we can create normal, I mean any extension like cockpit or back office, whatever it is. So here you can see if I go to Hybris and bin file, so here you can see these are the normal things. So for product cockpit, so here you have extension cockpit. This is extension cockpit. So this extension cockpit implies to this particular thing. So this is example cockpit which I have created. These files will be present in the custom thing. Custom thing, here I have the example. This is the example cockpit. So like this, here you can create accelerators, cockpits, back offices, and extension wherever it is. Next comes the add-on concept while going on implementation of the product. So this is how to create your own extensions, to be for cockpit, back office, or accelerators, or order management, or order fulfillment, whatever it is. You can create the extensions, so which will be applicable here in the custom folder. You can run it to the command prompt. So this implies to on-premise version of 6.7.0, whereas for clouds, you can just configure in the cloud itself. So thank you for watching, guys. Thank you so much.